5 best books to become a great entrepreneur. Guys, these are my personal 5 books. In fact, I'm going to give you 2 bonus books because I'm going to choose 5 best authors, and some of them have 2 books that I will highly recommend. You see, when I started my journey, I had no idea how to start a business, how to run a business, how to grow a business. And the books that you need to read at the beginning of your journey as an entrepreneur, as a passionpreneur, are different than as you become a startup. It's different, and as you become a mature company, is different. So what I'm going to do is, in this video, I'm going to give you these 5 best books, or rather 5 authors, who has helped me over a period of time to grow my business from 0 to more than 16 crores. Yes, of course, I had my mentors along with me, but it's just not the mentors, because these are the books suggested even by my mentors. So in this video, I'm going to share with you all these best books which will transform your business. First book is the book from Daniel Priestley. Name is KPI, Key Person of Influence. You see, when I was starting to build my program, Passionpreneur Mastermind, I was trying and testing a lot of things. Ye kar le, wo kar le, let me implement this, But there was no one person that I can follow and I can build my program, my framework, which was Passionpreneur Mastermind. And I found this book, KPI. And it just blew my mind. Like, oh my God, what an amazing author, what an amazing book. So what did I do? I modeled his framework in my own way and modified it, and I launched Passionpreneur Mastermind. Go check out this book. It's such an amazing, amazing book which will blow your mind on how can you become a key person of influence in your industry. And the second book from the same author is the book called Oversubscribe. See, the first book got me the framework of my program. The second book taught me the principles and strategies and how I can bring people from outside to fill my workshops, my webinars, so that I can close more people. With help of these 2 principles, these 2 books, and my mentors, of course, I was able to close 33 lakhs in just 2.5 months of starting my business. I mean, it's crazy. I could recover my entire year's income in just 2.5 months from this campaign. These 2 books have been so profound on my business. Author number 2, Gino Wickman. This man has written 2 books which are so powerful. First is Traction, second is Rocket Fuel. These 2 books actually blew my mind. You know why? Because I did not know a lot about the business. When I read those books, how the systems, process and measurement, how the entire structure of business works, it was so powerful that those 2 books of KPI and Oversubscribe got me started, and these 2 books got me refined. And I, over a period of time, went from a 1 crore company making 1 crore in 1 year to making 2.5 crores and then 16 crores, right? So as an entrepreneur, when you make 1 crore, your systems, your process, your business, your employee, your team is completely different than when you make 2.5 crores versus when you make your first million. It's completely different. These 2 books gave me the roadmap, the path on how I can fine-tune my own business to take it to the next level. Author number 3, this person, Michael Gerber. He wrote a book called E-Myth Revisited. See, there are different ways of running a business. You can be a techie and operate as a techie in your business, but then you will forget to become a manager who manages the people and business. You don't do a lot of things, but you manage a lot of things. Then there's a third level that you become a visionary entrepreneur. You don't actually do a lot, you don't manage a lot, but you see a vision, and the manager makes sure that the team, the techies, actually implement things. At the beginning, you probably have to wear all 3 hats. Sometime techie, sometime manager, sometime entrepreneur. If you do not understand this, you will be just operate as a techie and you'll ruin your business. Or you'll operate as a visionary or a techie together, but there's no manager. You will not have the system, you will not have the task, you will not have the process. You will be in a very painful journey, and it was happening to me. And this interesting fact I'm going to share with you. I read this book, E-Myth Revisited, before I started my business. And I was like, wow, this is a wonderful book. But I could not make any sense of this book. I could not implement anything. But after 1.5 years of starting my business, I read this book again and like, oh my God, this is exactly what I needed. You see, the book did not change. I changed, and the meaning that I was having from the book, it completely changed. So these are some of the books you want to read few times to truly understand when in the journey of entrepreneurship, right? Number 4, John Deere. This author wrote a book called Measure What Matters. I'm going to share my experience with you. I am such a horrible person when it comes to measurement, systems, and processes. I am a more heart-driven person. I'm not an engineer personality. To me, go from the heart-driven to the head-driven, or have a combination of head and heart, it was so difficult. I read this book upon a recommendation of my mentor, Dan Locke. And he told me, Dave, you need to measure everything. Your data, your numbers, your processes, your system. What are the data I need to measure? What are the numbers that I need to measure? I did not know. But this book actually gave me a clarity that I need to measure this. So I went from a startup, the seed stage, to startup, to building some kind of established company. This book came in really, really handy. So if you're an entrepreneur, if you're struggling to measure things, this book is going to change your game. Last but not the least, Darren Hardy. He wrote a book called Entrepreneur Roller Coaster. You heard it right. Business is nothing but running an entrepreneurship journey through a roller coaster. Ups, downs, excitement, pain, challenges. And while I'm making this video, let me tell you, I am in the middle of the roller coaster. Right now, maybe I'm going down and I'm like, oh, scary. But when I go up, it's very exciting, very peaceful, thrilling. You know, why? Why do we have this? Because you know what? Business, after a certain point of time, it's all about people, people, people. Not the process, not the system, but the people. And I went from just having 1 or 2 team members, entrepreneurs, to building a team of 15, 16 people. And now we're going to be like 20 people in just a few months. You see, the company that you were as a 2, 3 people versus 20 people is like 10 times growth. It's a roller coaster. And if you do not understand human psychology, if you don't understand leadership, if you don't know how to communicate with each other, it's very painful. And guess what? I am still going through that pain. And when does it end? I don't know. Maybe never. But isn't that the fun of entrepreneurship? Up and down, up and down. So these are my 5 best authors that I recommend for entrepreneurs who want to start and grow their business. Now, if you're really just starting your business, if you're just starting your journey, you probably don't even need to read these 5 books. First, you need to read is the mindset books, right? Go check out the video where I share a lot of other, suggestions on which mindset books that you can read. If you want, start from my first book, 80% Mindset, 20% Skills, which will change your perspective. And then read 6 Sundays a week. That's a bonus for you. If you're just starting, if you don't want to read hundreds of other books, just read 1 book, which is 6 Sundays a week. You probably don't have to read other books. You can read as a bonus, but 6 Sundays a week, what I've done is I've read hundreds of thousands of books, invested lakhs and so much money on myself. You don't have to do that. Read the book 6 Sundays a week and 80% Mindset, 20% Skills. Combine this with the mindset and the strategies. You can get started on your business journey and start making crores in just few years. That's my bold claim, because my mentees have been able to do the same thing with this, and of course through my mastermind programs as well. If you're not checked out my books, go check out the links on Amazon. Check out my webinar if you want to continue to learn more. Okay, this is Dev Gadhvi. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up so that I can make more of these videos and I share more of these secrets. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, because I share these knowledge, wisdom every week selflessly. So it'll encourage me to share more if you share some of your thoughts. Like and subscribe and share the comment. What was the biggest aha moment for you? Which is the best book that you like personally as an entrepreneur that you want to recommend to all the people? The best comment, I'm going to pin it up and see. Let's serve and help more entrepreneurs so that you can change the world. This is Dev Gadhvi. I will see you in the next video. Take care and God bless you.